welcome to Big Lou Barbecue and other things I want to do. I'm Big Lou and this is what I've got going on for you. I want to tell you about a fantastic device at UDSparts.com. It is this wonderful thing right here. It's simply 2 rods of steel bent like that and a ring. Sits on the grill grate rack. Comes up about 4 inches and you can hang ribs for it. Now I've done videos about hanging ribs for years. Even got videos about why it's advantageous to hang ribs. I love to cook ribs by hanging them. And with this rib rack, it's real easy to hang 8 and maybe even 12. I think it comes with a dozen hooks. And they've got a smaller one for the 30-gallon UDS as well. And this is for the 55-gallon one. I hung 7 racks of baby backs. If I had 8, I could have done 8 easy, 2 on each one. But I think you can get 3 racks on each one. I love hanging ribs. The air circulates around it vertically. It's sort of like a stationary spit, you know. I love the way ribs taste when they've been hanging in a drum smoker. And if you built the kit from UDS Parts or you built your own drum smoker, this one will work. Drop it right in there. Real easy to use, real easy to do. All right, thanks for watching Big Lou Barbecue. Let me show you these racks of ribs going in the smoker yesterday and what they look like when they came off. Well, I did wait for that thick smoke to die down, but I opened up the lid to show you the rib rack and put the camera on, and smoke started coming back. Hope the smoke doesn't get in your eyes like it's getting in mine, but that white smoke will die down here in just a few minutes. All right, we're just gonna hang them. Hang 2 on each rack, just like that. These hooks came from UDSparts.com too. I like to go to the 3rd rib down before I hang them. Some people use the 2nd. We can fit a lot of ribs in here just like this. Get 2 on there. That one come over like that. Put this one right here. It's gonna be beautiful. All right, I'll show you what they look like when they're done. All right, these ribs should be about ready. Oh yeah. 7 racks at one time.